Hello everyone, welcome back on Anantek's world. Thanks for giving huge response to my video. Love you all. Today I am doing some interesting things. Do you know what? You know it's not solar system, dinosaur, not or any other fact. Today we are doing autumn painting. Autumn season coming after monsoon. When leaves fall from trees. So today we are doing painting with these leaves. Material required for painting is cotton and different types of leaf. Take white big sheet. You can take multiple colors. Go for bright colors. I have taken green, red, yellow, blue and maroon colors. Okay, let's start. Take a white cotton ball and dip it in some color paint, and I take 6 paints. Go for the brightest paints. Okay, let's start. Okay, dip it in some paint, then do like this. Just follow me. And dip it again. Do it again. Okay, the first one has been done. Just do the outlines. Like this. Then done. Now the third one. It is looking very good. Just do the outlines. Hey children, look at this. It is very beautiful. Just do all the outlines. Just do all the outline. We are done with the outline. Now we have to do the remaining white. It's gonna take a while because it's a big sheet. Okay, let's start. We make the rainbow. Mix up all the colors. First is yellow. We are almost there. Just a few colors. Let's go. Oh, we are almost there. We have to do just little colors. Now, orange. Oh my God, we are almost there. Just a little more color, a tiny color. Just left off. So we are done. It is messy. So now let's do magic. We remove all leaves. It's looking beautiful. Wow! Remove carefully. It can ruin your painting. We remove all leaves, not this one. Now we remove all leaves. See Anantek magic. It's a beautiful painting. If so, do like my video. Love you all. Have a good day. Bye. See you again.